Welcome back, amazing people. Get ready to the day's tingling, creamy adventure with our another delicious recipe, spicy creamy chicken pasta. Trust me, it's a dish that will make your taste bud dance. First thing first, let's have a half cup of oil. Choose your favorite oil according to your taste and likings. Now let's introduce our chicken breast, cut into medium-sized pieces. Next, add a half tablespoon of crushed garlic. Cook the chicken until it changes color. Now it's time to add some spices to our dish. Sprinkle in salt and black pepper according to your taste and tablespoon of each tandoori masala, garam masala, red chili powder, chaat masala and chili flakes. You can adjust the spiciness based on your taste buds. Forget to add tomatoes. You can use either a can of crushed tomatoes or 2 to 3 fresh ones. I'll add a small can of sweet corn that will add taste. Of course, you can throw in any veggies you like to create on your own flavor. Give it a good stir. Make sure all the ingredients are having a good time mixing together. Now it's time for the creamy magic. Pour in small can of heavy cream. Watch as the sauce transforms with the change in color. It's like watching a magic trick, but with the pasta. We'll add some shredded cheese over here so that to make it more creamy and cheesy. Let's introduce the already boiled penne pasta to sauce party. Stir it up. Make sure each noodle is fully coated with creamy goodness. Don't forget any pasta feeling left out. Add shredded cheese, olives, and jalapenos for the explosive of flavors. Remember, the more flavors, the more the meal. Stir it up. Finish it up with the Nando sauce if it's available, or any chili sauce to actually increase the tasting. Over the pot with the lid, allowing the cheese to fully indulge in flavor and bring the pasta to the state of cheesy nirvana. And there you have it, guys. Our spicy creamy chicken pasta is now ready to stir and show and make your taste buds burst into a pleasure. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you never miss any moment of delicious adventure. And hey, let me know in the comments how you like the dish and drop recommendation of what you like to see me cook next. Thank you.